Let's get into how a tape measure works. So in the US, we use the imperial system. We are using feet, inches, yards, miles, and so on. But in construction, we usually limit it to feet and inches. On your tape measure, you'll notice that the foot is divided into 12 inches and the inch is further divided into fractions of an inch. So if we take 1 inch, let's say here between 6 and 7 inches, you see that each one of my inch marks goes completely across the tape. The ½ inch goes about halfway across. If I divide the ½ inch by a half, I get a ¼ inch, and you see that that is this mark here that goes about ¼ way up the side of the tape, and every time I see a line of that length, I know that that is a ¼ inch mark. If I divide that by 2, I get an 1/8 inch, which is a slightly smaller mark. If I divide that by 2, I get a 1/16 inch, and that's the smallest mark on this tape. So if I count all of these marks all the way across, I get 16 lines per inch. If I count only the next smallest lines, I get 8 marks per inch. That's my 1/8 inch markers. If I count the ones up from there, it's a ¼ inch, ½ inch, and then 1 inch. Pull out a tape measure, look at it, and count marks across there. Count 16, and then find the next length and count your 8s, count your quarters, and count your halves. Get really familiar with your tape measure and how all of those marks correlate to actual divisions of an inch. These common measurements are the basis of all construction math, and mastering your tape measure is going to help you work much more efficiently on the job site.